Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about structure of bird's egg. I have taken this topic from class 4th science. So let us know about egg. Here you can see I have drawn an egg. So in egg you can see I have mentioned here 4 main parts: albumin, cholaza, yolk and shell. Let us discuss firstly about albumin. Albumin, the egg white. Here you can see this whole area. This is white area. Except this spiral, this white area. Okay. This white area is known as the albumin, which comes from albus, the Latin word for white. Okay. 4 alternating layers. Here we have 4 alternative layers of albumin. Contains approximately 40 different proteins. Okay. Now, what is cholaza? In the eggs of most birds, the cholaza are 2 spiral bands of tissues that suspend the yolk in the center of the white. The function of the cholaza is to hold the yolk in place. Okay, its main function is to hold this yolk in its place. Next you can see here this covering. As you have seen, egg, the white layer, the white hard layer, its shell. It's bumpy and grainy in texture. An eggshell is covered with as many as 17,000 tiny spores. Okay, on its whole body there are many spores. Eggshell is made almost entirely of calcium carbonate. This you have to by heart. This shell is made up of crystals of calcium carbonate. It is a semi-permeable membrane, which means that air and moisture can pass through its pores. Okay. Yolk. This is yolk. I have colored with this yellow and orange shade. Okay, this is yolk. The yolk contains water, protein, some fats, vitamins and minerals of the egg. This yolk is basically the food for the developing embryo in this egg. Okay, this is basically food for that embryo. This albumin protects the embryo. Okay, and yolk provides food. So okay friends, I think you all have understood about this egg. So friends, if you like my video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.